Hey, what's up? It's Cheption Mutai. Welcome to my YouTube channel on freelance and business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert any unit on your phone without downloading any application. To do this, open your calculator app on your Android phone. Then tap on Unit Converter. As you can see, we have different units that you can convert. This ranges from length, area, volume, speed, weight, temperature, power, and pressure. In my country, for example, weight is measured in kilograms. In other countries like USA, weight is measured in pounds. So let's use this example. Let's convert weight here. So let's say someone in US says they weigh 120 pounds. That means they weigh about 54 kilograms, which is a normal weight in my country. The same applies to other units. For example, area. You can, for example, check 1 hectare, for example, is equal to like one hectare is equal to 10,000 square meters, and that is how to convert any unit on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com.